This mathcast is intended for grade 4. The content or learning objective is recognize line of symmetry for given two-dimensional figures, identify line symmetric figures, and draw lines of symmetry. Created by Pam Gleisner. Some vocabulary that we'll need to know for this mathcast is symmetry, the property of a shape that can be folded so that the two halves match exactly. Two-dimensional shape, a flat shape with a length and width, a shape that has area but not volume. Example 1. Circle the figures that have a correct line of symmetry drawn. Let's look at A. This line goes right down the middle. So that would mean that this is the line of symmetry. We'll circle A. B. If we look at this shape a little differently, this one isn't an up and down line, but it is going through a point. A point and then perpendicular to the bottom. If we look, there's two corners here. If we fold down this line, these two corners would match. So we'll circle B too. For C, this edge is shorter than this edge. So if we folded here, these would not be symmetrical, so we will not be circling that one. For D, these are the same length, and we have an arch. The line is right through the middle, so if this side was folded to this side, those two sides would be symmetrical, so we'll circle D. Example 2. Find and draw all lines of symmetry for the following figures. Write the number of lines of symmetry that you found on the blank underneath the shape. Let's start with A. I can see that if we draw a line right down the middle, if folded in half, these two corners would match up, and these two corners would match up. If we were to draw a line through here, these corners would not match up since the lengths of these lines are different. That would leave that A would have one line of symmetry. For B, all sides are equal. So we would start with a line down the middle, a line straight across, and then in this case we would be able to do the diagonals as well. So we would have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of symmetry. One across, one down, and then the two diagonals. So then we'd write a 4 down here at the bottom. For C, I can see that this line is slanted. These two lines are not equal. That would make it very difficult to find a line of symmetry here, whether it be diagonals, those are not well. Right across here doesn't work, and down here doesn't work. So C would have 0 lines of symmetry. Example 3. Half of each figure below has been drawn. Use the line of symmetry represented by the dashed line to complete each figure. So for A, we're going to have to find the other half. So we have 1, 2, 3 blocks over, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks down. So we'll go 1, 2, 3 and put a dot there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a dot at the bottom. And then we will connect these lines to make the second half of our figure. For the next one, we'll have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll go down 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll go over 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll have to go up 2. 1, 2. We'll have to go over 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. We will have to go down 1. Over 1. And then up 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we can draw our lines. and that would give us a symmetrical shape. Example 4. Is the line drawn a line of symmetry? Circle your choice. For the first example, this line goes through the diagonal. If this corner was folded to this corner, this would not be a line of symmetry. So we're going to circle no. For this one, all sides are equal, and this line goes through the diagonal as well. If this corner was folded to this corner, both of these sides would be equal. So we will circle yes for this one, as that is a line of symmetry. For the last one, this line is going through closer to the bottom of the circle rather than the middle. Since it is not through the middle, or through the top and the bottom, or a diagonal, this line is not a line of symmetry for this circle. So we will circle no. Thanks for watching.